Yamaha YDP-184 Review 2026. Is it worth the investment? Are you a music enthusiast looking to upgrade your home piano experience? Are you tired of mediocre sound quality and want a digital piano that truly resonates with your artistry? Look no further. Today, we're putting the Yamaha YDP-184 under the microscope to see if it's worth the investment. But here's what surprised me: this digital piano is not just for beginners. It offers features and sound quality that will make even the most seasoned musicians take notice. Therefore, I'm excited to dive into the details and share my hands-on experience with you. Problem statement. As a music lover, you know how frustrating it can be to work on your craft without the right tools. Poor sound quality, limited customization options, and lackluster performance are just a few of the issues that can hold you back from reaching your full potential. That's why we're reviewing the Yamaha YDP-184 today, to help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for your needs. Deep dive. So what sets the Yamaha YDP-184 apart from other digital pianos on the market? Let's take a closer look at its key features and see how they stack up against the competition. First, we have the authentic piano sound that's been crafted by some of the most renowned piano manufacturers in the world. With 24-bit/192K Hz audio, you'll experience crystal clear clarity and depth that will transport you to a concert hall. But what really caught my attention was the Yamaha YDP-184's graded hammer action GA keyboard. Unlike other digital pianos on the market, this one features individual hammer weighting and counterweights for a more authentic playing experience. Whether you're practicing arpeggios or tackling complex compositions, you'll feel like you're sitting at a real piano. Therefore, don't just take our word for it. Let's explore some of the key specs in more detail. Weighted action, yes. Number of keys, 88. Polyphony, 256. Connectivity options, USB to host MIDI headphones jack. Additional features: transpose tuning rhythm trainer. But here's what I found most impressive: the Yamaha YDP-184's ability to adapt to your playing style. With Yamaha's smart pianist app, you can connect wirelessly and access a world of features and tools designed to enhance your practice sessions. Whether you're working on a specific piece or simply want to explore new sounds, this digital piano is equipped to help you reach new heights. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is the Yamaha YDP-184 worth the investment? To answer that question, let's talk about some of the benefits and drawbacks. Pros: authentic piano sound with 24-bit/192K Hz audio. Graded hammer action GA keyboard for a more realistic playing experience. Connectivity options include USB to host, MIDI, and headphones jack. Smart Pianist app allows wireless connectivity and access to features and tools. Cons: maybe out of budget for some music enthusiasts. Some users may find the weighted action too sensitive. Limited customization options compared to other digital pianos on the market. Therefore, is the Yamaha YDP-184 worth the investment? If you're a serious musician looking for a high-quality digital piano that will meet your needs and exceed your expectations, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. With its authentic sound quality, weighted action keyboard, and adaptive features, this digital piano is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to take their music to the next level. But before you make any final decisions, let's talk about price. As with any investment, it's essential to consider your budget and whether the Yamaha YDP-184 fits within it. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below. Call to action *. Don't wait, take the first step towards upgrading your home piano experience today. Click the link in the description below for the best price on the Yamaha YDP-184 and start enjoying authentic piano sound quality and a more realistic playing experience.